Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, I'll guide you step by step on how to add a holding pack and walk you through the different payment options available to fund your account. First, we'll cover how to add a holding pack, followed by the steps to fund your fund wallet. To add holding pack. From your dashboard, go to the Holding tab and click the plus icon to add a new holding pack. A pop-up window will appear, giving you multiple options to add a holding pack. You can purchase one for yourself or for a member of your downline team. If you're buying for yourself, ensure that your fund wallet has sufficient balance. You can top up your fund wallet at any time using the Add Fund button. Later in this video, we'll show you exactly how to do that. You also have the option to use an XRP code to purchase a holding pack. Simply choose XRP code as the payment type and enter your code to complete the purchase. If you are joining using XRP code, just type it in XRP code box. Similarly, you can create new XRP codes directly from your fund wallet. A step-by-step guide on generating XRP codes will be available on XAB Media page. You can add funds to your fund wallet using 3 methods. Option 1. Add funds with XRP, either from the balance in your connected wallet or by sending XRP from any external source. Option 2. Use your connected dApp wallet to transfer funds directly to Zab. Option 3. Add funds through the crypto gateway, allowing you to deposit from other wallets or exchanges. Now we'll walk you through all the available payment options. In option 1, we'll demonstrate how to add XRP to your fund wallet. Start by going to your XAB dashboard and access the fund wallet from the More tab at the bottom. A menu will slide out from the left side of your screen. From there, select Wallet from the list, then choose Fund to access your fund wallet. The fund wallet serves as your main wallet, where you can add funds, create XRP codes, and transfer funds to XRP wallet or transfer to others. To add XRP in your fund wallet, select the option Add Funds. A menu of Add Fund Request will pop up from the bottom. You'll see multiple options to top up your account. For this example, we will select Payment Type, XRP. Then, choose your currency as either XRP or USD, and in the Request Amount box, enter the amount you want to add to your fund wallet. Then click Submit. You'll be taken to the XRP payment screen. Here, you'll find a QR code, a XRP deposit address, and a destination tag. You can simply scan the QR code to make the payment, or copy both the deposit address and the destination tag to send XRP from your wallet or exchange. As you are depositing in XRP, this step is very important. You must select the correct network when sending. Always use XRP Ripple, the native XRP network. Do not use BEP20, ERC20, or any wrapped versions of XRP, as these are not supported. And remember, always include your destination tag, also known as a memo. This step is critical when depositing from an exchange or custodial wallet. If you skip it, your funds may not be credited properly. Transactions are usually processed in under a minute when using a decentralized wallet, but if you're sending from an exchange, it may take up to 15 minutes. Follow these steps carefully, and your XRP will be added smoothly to your XAB account. With option 2, you can use the wallet you're already connected with inside the XAB dashboard. The process feels seamless. After selecting dApp wallet as your payment type, you simply choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to pay with, enter your amount, and submit. If you're paying with tokens like USDT or USDC, just make sure you've got enough gas fees covered. Transactions through decentralized wallets typically settle within a minute, though some blockchains, like Ethereum or Bitcoin, may take longer. You can always check on your payment by opening the Fund Request section of your wallet. If you prefer to add funds through an exchange or a third-party wallet other than your connected wallet, choose one of the 2 available gateways, Raidem or Pilcio, and follow the on-screen instructions to top up your fund wallet. Our crypto gateways support all major cryptocurrencies. Simply select the currency you wish to use and complete the payment by scanning the QR code. Please ensure that you send the exact amount, down to the last cent. Otherwise, the transaction will remain pending. You can track the status of your payment at any time by selecting the Fund Request button within your fund wallet. From vision to reality, holding pack sales are live. Select your pack and experience the power of earnings with XAB. Thank you.